forward to this grand day of celebration, our annual day Spectrum 2010. Today, being the annual day of the school, it is indeed a special occasion for all our esteemed parents to see the apple of their eyes on the stage. But before that, I request you all to kindly remain seated till the function is over. Children will be sitting along with their class teachers. They'll be handed over to you only after the function is over. I also request you to switch off the cell phones and not to come near the stage with your handy cams and mobiles, as you'll be disturbing the child's performance. You also requested to leave the reserved seats vacant. आपने पूरा साल हम पर विश्वास किया है और हमें सहयोग दिया है। इसी सहयोग की उम्मीद हम आज भी आपसे इस कार्यक्रम को सफल करने के लिए करते हैं। Our chief guest, Mr. Chanchal Singh, District Education Officer, UT Chandigarh, will be here in a short while. Thank you. Education Officer, UT Chandigarh, joined service in October 1980 as a lecturer in mathematics in 35 model, worked as an assistant 5 to 2007. Presently working as District Education Officer, Chandigarh since August 2009. Held additional charge of Nodal Officer, SSA from 2005 to 2007. Service appreciation by Chandigarh Administration in 2008. It's a matter of great joy to have got an opportunity to share these moments with you and make them our pride possession forever. Thank you, sir. And a plural welcome to our chief guest. The token of remembrance to our honorable chief guest. To light the ceremonial lamp and inaugurate the function. Universe is the panorama of forms. Create us Toma Sadgamaya Tam Soma Jyotirgamaya. O God, lead us from untruth to truth, and from darkness to light. The lamp, when lighted, makes all the darkness fade away. Let us all lighten the world and spread the light of the love.
For behind the teacher stood the school, and behind the parent, the home. We at Accept Spotify endeavor to mold the child slowly.
और सबको खुशबू देना माता पिता के सहयोग के बिना अधूरा है। आइए देखिए स्पेक्ट्रम 2010 आपको अपना क्या रूप दिखाता है। Important, whether you play the xylophone, the tabla, the cello or the drums, you are still part of it. Children from Accept Spotify are here setting an example that you cannot play a symphony. No, it takes an orchestra to play it. And now introducing our band, Rivlin on harmonium, Sheenu on synthesizer, Deen Dayal and Sahil on daflis, Mehek on xylophone, Mitali on ghungru and manjira, Rohan on congo, Aman, Arshita, Sunidhi and Adikant on kabas, Abhay and Mr. Baburam on tabla, and leading the band is Mrs. Gurkaval on the drum sets. I would also like to introduce Jasmeet Singh, Deepak, Arun and Prithvi, who will be managing the stage throughout the function. Thank you, children. It's all about coloring the day with as many colors as we can and planting smiles on faces. As we talk about colors, the first image, Rajasthan, the cultural epicenter of India, land of colors and camels, vibrant, vigorous and warm, That is exactly how we have religious and spiritual education is as important as the formal schooling and education of the child. At Accepts 45, there is an endeavor to impart spiritual education, an attempt to remain connected with the creator of universe, that is with prayer, and it's bound to run smoother.